A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on introduction of physics and science. Before starting the term science and physics, we introduce what is science. 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 This is the Latin word. This is the Latin word and its meaning is to know. Anything. Suppose this is a chalk. Then you may define its color is yellow, its shape is cylindrical. How? No questions related with no. Then systematic knowledge of anything is called science. Systematic knowledge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. Systematic knowledge of anything is called science. Successive knowledge of anything is called science because the term science is Latin word and in Latin the meaning of science is to know. So next. First of all, English philosopher, political science related with the scientist Thomas Hobbes defined science is the knowledge of consequences and dependence of one fact upon another. You may see here, this is the first step, this is the second step, this is the third step. See, systematic knowledge, this is called science. And there are so many branches in science, that is physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, biotechnology, microbiology, etc. And in this, one subject is physics. And physics, next, physics, the term physics, Physics. Physics is the Greek word. Physics is the Greek word and the meaning of physics in Greek, nature. To know about nature is called physics. To know about nature is called physics. That means we see the nature, universe, wall, fan, tube light, earth, planet, trees, all things in the universe. To know means nature. Next, there are a lot of branches in physics. Day to day, the scientists are going on to invent new topic, new thinking. Suppose just like onion, you see onion splitting. Split, branches splitting. Then first branch of physics is called electricity. See, first electricity, next magnetic, mechanics, properties of matter, heat, sound, electromagnetic theory, kinetic theory and thermodynamics, waves and oscillations, optics, fiber optics, lasers, acoustics, electrodynamics, relativity, atomic physics, molecular physics, nuclear physics, particle physics, solid state devices, electronics, microelectronics, optical electronics, digital electronics, communication electronics. Do you follow or not?
Follow.
Okay. See, next. Semiconductor physics, semiconductor devices, quantum mechanics, statistical mechanics, astrophysics and biophysics. Again, low temperature physics, material science physics, vacuum tube physics, atmospheric physics, environmental physics, neurophysics, mathematical physics, classical mechanics, theoretical physics, experimental physics, plasma physics, condensed matter physics, informatics physics, condensed matter and programming, quantum electrodynamics, reactor physics, physics of liquid crystal, spectra and properties of biomolecules, physics of diagram techniques, integrated electronics, nanomaterials, nanotechnology, space physics, entertainment see, there are a lot of branches in physics, and this is the very important for the students and as well as teachers. Thank you.